Okay, for right here on the cutting delay, it has several different functions to it. Okay, you set your initial cutting depth right here on your cutting depth, and you keep increasing that until you cut all the way through your material. But the cutting delay, a couple different functions for it. One would be that if you have a heat plate attached to the upper beam, you need the beam to come down and apply pressure so that your heat plate can seal whatever you need to seal. And then you get a second cutting with this cutting depth delay. So it's going to come down, it's going to apply pressure, it'll seal what it needs to, and then it'll come down and cut the last little bit and cut the material. So it puts a delay on your first pressure setting, and then you get your second pressure, or with the cutting delay, it'll come down and cut. That's one purpose for it. Another purpose would be if you are cutting a material, if you're cutting a material and you do not have enough pressure to cut all the way through, what will happen is your press will come down and it'll cut partially into this, but as it keeps trying to cut deeper and deeper, the RPMs on the motor are going to slow down. And as the RPMs slow down, the hydraulic pump loses pressure ability. And so you can have it come down and it'll cut partially, and then you get your second cutting depth, which will come down and cut the rest. The reason that's important is because if you cut once and only made it halfway through a hard material, normally some people, their head will come back up and they'll try and cut it again. But when you do that, you can get slivering. It's not a clean cut. So by using the pressure delay, you're able to cut partially down into your material, and then you can put a delay of time in there that will allow the RPMs to build back up and then make your final cut. So that's the purpose of the pressure delay. Another way people use that pressure delay is if you are cutting something that's adhesive back in some way, so there's been adhesive applied, so it's a laminating process. It'll compress your laminated materials that have some kind of adhesive in the middle, and it will hold it and seal all the materials together, the full width of the beam and the full depth of the beam. So it'll come down and apply pressure, and the adhesive is activated by the pressure of the first cut. Whether it's 1 second, 1 minute, whatever you need for that to take place, then your second cutting will actually go and cut the material. So there's 3 reasons that you would use that. 90% of our customers don't use it at all, and you can completely disregard it. But it is a feature that's unique with us, and it's very useful if you need it.
CJR Tech has been in the manufacturing business for more than a decade, with offices in the USA, Philippines, Korea and China. We are an international company with sales all over the world. CJR specializes in all types of specialized cutting machines, with emphasis on automated cutting. Nearly all of our machines are customer-built to customer-specific needs. CJR is not the only company in this market segment, but they are the only company that can make custom machines from 10 tons to 350 tons in a variety of table sizes and machine types. Today, CJR enjoys annual sales that nearly doubles all USA-based competition, with the best warranty in the business and the best customer service anywhere. If you want to do business with a company that always answers the phone and values customer service over anything else, you're in the right place. Welcome to CJR Tech, a different type of company.